As you can tell, today is a cloudy day. It's not exactly warm either. Hopefully it picks up. This, if you remember from my last video, I had one little box. Now I've got another box and a little thing in the middle. I haven't planted anything in the middle yet, but I had planted my potatoes, both on both sides, and as they grow, the boxes will get taller. As you can tell, I've got some already growing in this one. I've got a nice big one there, one over there, one there, another little one there, and there, and a little one there. Oh, that one just came out too. I have a leaf. Take the leaf out. So, I am getting potatoes. This one hasn't sprouted yet, but that's okay because I planted it a couple of days after the other one. This I'm going to put newspaper in, and then I'm going to put more dirt and compost and all that little stuff. And it's going to have, I'm thinking yellow beans. Maybe something else I haven't quite decided yet, but something that doesn't need a whole lot of roots, but gives me vegetables. And this is my first little box set. And I think it's working out pretty well so far. I'm loving it, actually. So, my apple trees are in bloom. Actually, the blossoms are just starting to fall off. I've got my peony roses, which I'm going to have to spike up because when they flower, they tend to fall down. So we'll see how that goes. And my woodpeckers have left. The babies have flown away. I missed the little chirping noise. Hi, Lucky. Come on. It's a weird dog. He's scared of grass for the most part. I don't know why. Hi. What you doing? With me? What's your face? You old dude? Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good puppy. Oh, I get the raindrops coming down. Alright, I'm going to stop the video for now.